Hi everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I'm going to be organizing this hot drink station. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just clean this up because I've been cleaning and purging our cabinets, and these have been removed from the other cabinet that's close to our sink. But I figured we're going to put them all together and organize this cabinet. Now let me just show you what's on the upper cabinet here. This is actually where our baking items are, mostly sprinkles, as well as piping tips, piping bags, and also some of our candy melts or chocolate wafers, and some cupcake liners there. So what I'm going to do is remove the items from these two shelves here, and I'm gonna purge them, see what I can save or not. Mostly probably will be thrown away because it's been years, and some of them probably are already expired, so I don't want to use them even if we're baking. But those candy melts are gonna stay on the top. I'm probably just gonna clean up the tray there where there are some essences and flavorings, so I'm gonna probably throw them away too because it's been a while. And then this drawer here, I'm going to use for, I'm probably going to switch what we put here. Remember this, I just completed this with this where our surplus or tea boxes are. And since this is in the island, or the drawer here in our island, this one would make sense as the drawer because it's closer to where the teas are. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started first with this upper cabinets here. I'm gonna purge, clean, and organize, and I will be doing some fast forwarding again so that it will not take forever to complete this video, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. just to give you a quick overview on this one, I'm just showing you the NutriBullet lean machine that we have. It's kind of heavy, so that's why I'm keeping it here, although it's not technically a hot drink machine. I am keeping the tumblers here, and also since we use water to mix items in our NutriBullet, we place it here because it's closest to the refrigerator, and there's another extra wall socket there to use for power. Now this is a coffee press. I'm just keeping it here. We sometimes use it too, and then there are some ground coffee there behind it. And then here are cups, and I use a Dollar Tree riser shelf there, a corner riser to raise some of the cups so that we can put more cups in. Now I'm just showing you here our kettle, and this is by HomeGoods, and this is not a sponsored video, everyone. I'm just telling you this because we've replaced our Keurig with this because we love to drink teas. As you can see how I organize our tea boxes and tea bags. Now this one is a great machine. I love it because it can really give you the right temperature for making tea. Aside from that, we love to drink instant coffee, and what I've realized with Keurig, you are producing a lot of items that are getting added to the landfill because I think there's not really a good system of recycling those pods. So I felt a bit guilty about using them. So yeah, so we use instant coffee. We have two flavors here. One is really coarse granule like this one, decaf, and the one behind it is the non-decaf, which is a little bit finer as well. Now we have the hot cocoa here in another container, and then here are some specialty tea flavors that we got from Ross. I think they were only like $2.99 each. One is green tea pomegranate, and then the other one is green tea blueberry. So there are 40 bags in each, so I've decided to display them here because the containers are pretty, especially this one. It really blends well with the color of our peel and stick tiles. By the way, if you wanted to watch the video also on how I installed the tiling there, I'll link it here. Now I have some teaspoons and stirrers here, as well as our honey stirrer. Now behind this should be a honey jar, but we ran out of honey, so we're going to get another one, and then we're going to put it here. And then just want to show you the other container. The round container is actually where we have the cubes, the sugar cubes. That's next to, on the right of the teaspoons, and then on the front here are just the powder creamer. And then this one here, whenever we're stirring something and we don't want to put it on the counter directly, so we put it in this glass tray. Especially the honey stirrers, because you know how it is after you lift the honey, there's some sticky residues there, so we just put it here. Now I'm using this glass cutting board that I got at Dollar Tree, and it was already pre-decorated with this coffee theme, and I'm using this so that when we're mixing coffee, it's easier to clean up, you know, any residue or any creamer or sugar that may have fallen. Now this is my dispenser for our tea, and these are the ones that we use on a regular or daily basis, and I like this. I bought this at Michael's and they had a huge sale, so I only purchased this for I think a little over $6. Another video that I'm linking here is how I showed it to you, and this is how I organized our tea. I like that there is a viewing window here. You can also put labels if you want, but I like the fact that with tea you can just read the labels from the sachets or the wrappers themselves, and then you would know what flavor. And again, like I said, these are the more common ones that we drink. And that's the reason why also we really have to put all the overflow here in this drawer, so that's why I moved them so that it's closer, so that when we run out of the bags, tea bags, then we will just claim them from here. And actually the rare ones that we drink, it's okay to just pick them up here, and they're not in the dispenser. And I like that you can really see the brands or the labels or the flavors. Now, as you can see, I placed in a tray some of the loose tea bags as well. And here are some of the new flavors that we're kind of enjoying, especially my daughter. She likes Earl Grey as well as the rose black tea. Now, if you notice, I positioned them this way rather than on their sides because there are 3 flavors here and we want to see them. So the way to position them is this way. So these are the extra green tea. We have them in the dispenser, but then look at this. I could see there's a rose tea or Earl Grey here. And instead of it on the side, then you would have to kind of look for it one by one to see where that flavor is. Now there's one here. These are some loose items that are just individual ones. So there's one oolong there, another matcha green tea, and then this one, I don't know what this is. I think this is like a slimming tea. And then there are 2 Folgers instant mix here that you can just put in a cup. Oh, by the way, I think I need to get rid of this or give it to somebody who has a Keurig because we no longer have the Keurig and we're not going to be using that. I bought that at Dollar Tree also a couple of years back. So that's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And also, everyone is welcome to leave me a comment. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.